COMRADE GEZA to address the nation on Friday, as he fights infiltration of his movement by state agents. The 11th of September 2025, Spread the Love by Rumbidzai Homa, firebrand anti-corruption activist and Liberation War veteran Blessed Geza, popularly known as Comrade Bombshell, has announced that he will deliver an online address to the nation this coming Friday at 2030. In a short video message circulating on social media platforms, Geza declared, "Fellows comrades, it is yours truly. Comrade Bombshell, Blessed Geza. It's good to be back. It has been a long time. The activists' movement has recently been rocked by infiltration from state agents, with some of his colleagues allegedly bribed by the ruling party. According to Geza, several senior war veterans accepted cash handouts, Ford Ranger vehicles, and mining claims from President Emerson Mnangagwa 3 months ago, a move that split the Geza movement. Geza, a former ZANU-PF Central Committee member, rose to prominence through his hard-hitting online videos, accusing the government of corruption, looting, and economic mismanagement. His stance cost him his place in the ruling party earlier this year, leading to his expulsion. Since then, Geza has been in hiding, with authorities reportedly seeking to question him over his activism. Despite this, he has maintained a strong online presence, galvanizing supporters with anti-corruption and pro-democracy messages. The brief message did not reveal his current location or the specific agenda for Friday's address, but observers expect him to tackle infiltration within his ranks, corruption scandals, and what he calls Zimbabwe's capture by a looting military mafia. The announcement has already sparked excitement and speculation among his followers, many of whom view Geza as one of the few fearless voices still standing against state corruption.